Clove water helps to promote hair growth because clove contains eugenol, which promotes hair growth when applied to the scalp. Clove water also helps to add shine to your hair. If your hair looks dry, if you apply the clove water to your hair consistently, it's going to help to improve the shine of your hair. It also helps to treat dandruff, itchiness, and it prevents premature graying of the hair. It also helps to curb hair loss. When it treats dandruff, that dandruff causes hair loss. So indirectly, it also helps to curb hair loss. It also helps to clean and soothe the scalp. So when you use clove water, there are so many benefits attached to it. It has helped me. It has helped my hair growth journey. It has helped me in so many ways. And you can also try this on your hair and let me know if it works for you in the comment section.